everyone. I'm glad to see you all. I'm happy that you are living with our house rules, which are, upon entering, you go straight to your chairs, be quiet, and behave. That's very good. Now, our lesson is about phases of solid figures. But before we proceed to that, let's have a review with our previous lesson. I'm going to show you drawings, and then we're going to determine what kind of solid figures it resembles. The first one, greens, cube. Okay, you said cube. Let's see. Is it a cube? Okay, congratulations, greens. Thank you. The next one, that. Still a cube. RJ? Cube? Let's see if it's still a cube. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Try to think harder, RJ, huh? Okay, thank you, RJ. Let's go back. Jenica. Rectangular prism, let's see. Okay, rectangular prism. Congratulations. And then the next drawing, Roman. Cylinder, let's see. Congratulations, it's a cylinder. Let's go back to that, it's a cylinder. Next one, how about that? John Paul. Square pyramid. Let's see. Square pyramid. Congratulations, John Paul. Thank you. And the next one. The last one. Let's see. Mary Lay. It's a cone. Let's see. It's a cone. Thank you. Okay, congratulations, Mary Lay. Now, let's play concentration game. I've prepared 12 cards numbered 1 to 12. Okay, so it was flipped down already. I'm going to present it to you. What are these? So it is made up of solid figures and the names. Okay, try to look at that. That is number 9. Cone, number 10. This one is number 12. This one is 11. This one is 8. I'm going to put it here. This one is 7. This one. Okay. Word cube. Going to put it here. This figure is number 2. Pyramid is number 6. Cylinder is number 5. This one is number 4. And this one is number 3. Okay. Let's divide the class into 2. Group A and Group B. On this side will be Group A. This side will be Group B. Now, suppose Group A answered incorrectly. I'm going to ask Group B. If you answered correctly, you will be called again Group A, suppose. Okay? So let's start. Let's start with RJ. 1 and 6. Let's see. The word cube. Is this a cube? No. Okay? It's a word. Both are word. It should be word and the solid figure. Okay? Group B. Angeline. 6 and 9. Let's see. This is a pyramid. Is this a pyramid? Ah, yes, it is. Correct. Congratulations, Angeline. So 1.4, Group B. So So let's put it here. This is a pyramid. And the word is pyramid. Next one, still on group B. May I call on JP? JP, 10. Oh, 10. And 2. Let's see. Second. This is second. Oh no, it's not. Okay, so turn of group A. Maryland. 3 and 7. Let's see. This is a sphere, word sphere, and the solid figure is a sphere. Correct. So 1 point also for group A. Sphere, word sphere, and the solid figure is a sphere. Okay. And still, Vince. Choose 2 letters. 2 and 11. Let's see. Rectangular prism. What's this, a rectangular prism? Yes, it's correct. Rectangular prism. Okay, 2 points already for group A. Okay, let's proceed. John Mark. 10 and 4. Let's see. Cone. Word cone. No, this is not a cone. Okay. Group B. Group B, may I call on MacGregor. 5 and 12. This is a cylinder. Word cylinder. This must be a cylinder. Correct. So another point for group B. Okay. Okay, still on group B, may I call on Jenica. 8 and 10. So what is this? Should be the name. And it's a cone. Correct. Of course, the remaining pair will go to group B. That is, what kind of solid is this? It's a cube. Correct. Okay, congratulations. This time, we're going to discuss the closed figures or solid figures. Now, I'm going to give a definition. Try to identify what is this. Okay. Are closed figures whose points lie on the same surface. They are flat and have 2 dimensions, the length and the width. What do we call this? Korean plane figures. That's correct. That is a plane figure. Next one are 3-dimensional objects having length, width, and height. Wings, that is solid figures. Correct. And then the next one, fill in the blank. A blank is one of the flat surfaces on a solid figure. That is Mark. That is a face. Correct. Flat surface. Correct. And then, how about this? It is a point on a solid figures where 3 or more faces meet. These are vertex. Correct. Next time, raise your right hand, wait to be acknowledged before you recite. Okay, thank you. Next one is a line segment where 2 faces meet. May I call on RJ is what? It's an X, correct? That is an X. Now, I'm going to show pictures of objects that are models of spatial figures. Try to describe this one. The first one is, what kind of spatial figure does it resemble? May I call on Melissa? That is a sphere, correct? The next one, how about that? Christine, that is a cone, very good. Okay, it's a cone. How about this one? A refrigerator. Corinne, that is a rectangular prism. That's correct. How about this one? What's that? I put on Kaylee. That is a cone. Very good. Is it a cone? No. So, anyone would like to help Kaylee? Okay, Nicole. That is a cylinder. Correct. Cylinder. Okay. The next one. What's that? Okay. So, Vince again. That is a pyramid. Correct. And then the other one. That is a cube. Correct. Okay. Now, this is figure 1. So on this, try to find the faces or determine faces. Are there faces in figure 1? Okay. Who would like to name one face? Mary Ann. So, it's face F-A-B-E. That's correct. F-A-B-E is a face. Correct. Another one. Jenica. G-F-E-D. Let's see. G-F-E-D. Correct. Okay. Another one. Corinne. D-E-B-C. Correct. Yes. A face. So, in that figure, how many faces can we name? Okay. There are 6 faces. Right? How about in this figure? How many faces can we see on that? There are 2 faces only. These are the top and bottom. Why is it that we cannot consider this as a face? So, if we're going back to the definition a while ago, face is a flat surface. For example, this one. This is a cylinder. And another one, this is a cube. If we said it's a face, we can put another solid on it. Just like that. But we cannot say this is a face because if we're going to put this, it will fall. Okay, so this is not a face. So in a cylinder, we will have 2 faces, the top and bottom. A while ago, we also have this one. This box is an example of a rectangular prism. A while ago, we discussed about an edge. What is an edge? 2 faces meet. It's an edge. How about a vertex or vertices? At least 3 faces meet. This face, and this one. Where do they meet? On here. We call this the vertex. Okay? And this is a face. A face. Face, 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 and face. So we have 6 faces in a rectangular prism. Oh, wait. The same with the cube. They have 6 faces. Okay? This time, may we have a group activity. So, when doing a group activity, what should we do? Okay? Mary Ann, be participative, correct? What else? Charlene, cooperate, correct? What else, John Paul? Work together, correct? Okay? Behave, okay. So look at this. So, cooperate, participate, good attitude, or work together. Because, as we said, when we work together, the work is easier. Now, direction, we have this one. Read, understand, and follow the instruction in each activity. Do it within the time frame, which is 10 minutes. Shout your group, yell, or clap to determine that your group are ready to discuss the activity or perform it. And back to your seat and wait for group performance. Okay? So, since you are all 22, we divide this class into 5. So, let's start from here. Count off 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay? So, all 1 group together. All 2 group together. And 3 group together. 4 group together. And 5. Now, for group 1, with this, draw a cube and rectangular prism, then complete the table. Okay? I'm going to give it to you afterwards, your envelope. And for group 2, name the solid figures that resemble the following objects and then describe its faces. And then group 3, arrange the puzzle and describe the solid figure being formed. And for group 4, draw the following solid figures and describe its faces. And for the last group, compose a song about solid figures. Okay? Now, I'm going to move around to supervise your work. Okay? Okay, thank you for that. Everybody participated well and everybody done it well. Suppose, let's have a situation. Aldrich bought a robot for his little brother John at SM2B Garage. He customized every part of the robot by putting a design on each part of the robot. He wants to challenge his little brother John by asking him to identify the different solid figures in each of the corresponding parts of the robot. What are the different solid figures that make up the robot? Look at this. Hey. Okay. Can we name the parts of the robot? Since it's already numbered from 1 to 11. Charlene, 1 is a cone, correct? How about 2? Colin, that is a sphere. Very good. How about number 3? John Paul. Number 3 is a cylinder, correct? 3 and 5 are the same, correct? Alright. How about 6 and 7? They are the same. So what can we say, or what do we call 6 and 7? Melissa. That is, or those are cubes, correct? And number 4. How about number 4? Vince. 4 is a rectangular prism. 8 and 9, since they are the same. Mary Lane. That is A cylinder, correct. And then 10 and 11, Shirley, those are triangular prism. Okay, very good.